Duncan Gray by Robert Burns. There was an old bawdy song called Duncan Gray. He created this version for the Scots Musical Museum, which would not have printed those very direct bawdy lyrics. This is just as bawdy in its way, but it's subtly disguised. So, ha ha the girdin note. It's the repeated phrase from the old song. Girdin means to ride rapidly, to strike smartly, to hoop a barrel. The band that holds a saddle on a horse, and to copulate. So, I'll sing this and then we'll go through what the words mean. Weary for you, Duncan Gray, the girdin note. We gae by ye, Duncan Gray, the girdin note. When all the lave gae to their play, then I maun sit the lelang day. Jeeg the cradle we my day, and off for the bad girdin note. Bonie was the lammas moon, ha ha the girdin note. Glowrin o'er the hills aboon, ha ha the girdin note. The girdin brak the beast come doon, I tint my curch and baith my shoon. And Duncan year and unco loun way on the bad girdin note. But Duncan, gin you'll keep your aith, ha ha the girdin note. I's bless ye wi my hindmost baith, ha ha the girdin note. Duncan, gin you keep your aith, the beast again can bear us baith. And old Mess John will mend the skaith and clout the bad girdin note. Weary for you, Duncan Gray. Weariness before you, Duncan Gray. Ha ha the girdin note. We gae by woe go with you, Duncan Gray. Sorrow. Ha ha the girdin note. When all the lave gae to their play, when all the rest go to their play, then I must sit the livelong day, I must sit the livelong day, and jeeg the cradle wi my tay, jog the cradle with my toe, and all for the girdin of it. Bonie was the lammas moon. Lammas is August 1st. Festival. Celebrate the harvest for the new bread. Bonie was the lammas moon, ha ha the girdin note. Glowrin o'er the hills aboon, shining above all the hills. The girdin brak, the band broke, the beast come doon, came down. I tint my curch and baith my shoon, I lost my kerchief and both my shoes. And Duncan, you're an unco loun, you're a serious rascal. Woe on the bad girthing of it. But, Duncan, gin you keep your aith, if you'll keep your oath, I's bless you wi my hindmost breath. I'll bless you with my hindmost breath. Gin you keep your aith, ha ha, the girdin note, I's bless you. Duncan, if you'll keep your oath, the beast again can bear us both. And old Mess John will mend the skaith, the minister will mend the harm, and clout the bad girdin note, patch up the bad, girdin note. Okay. Fabulous piece of work by Mr. Burns. And I hope you'll subscribe to my channel. I've got a playlist called Songs of Robert Burns, and I've been working on a book these last 8 years. That set of the tune and the bass line is from William McGibbon's Scots Tunes. Hope you enjoyed it. Be well.